Oh dang! I just hit my camera on the wall here. Tuesday. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone had a good start of the week. Yeah, I'm tired. Worked 19 hours yesterday. That was no joke. But got most of the stuff done. Hang on just a second. There we go. Got most of my my science done. We got like 10 to 15 more. I can't remember. And so yeah, here's what we got so far. We have, this is done. One goes out today. We have like immediate stock. This is yeah, one of those is going out today. I gotta get this ready. This is all what I carved yesterday. This it doesn't look much, but it's like it's exactly 80 signs. This is a new record. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. No, that's a song. Last Christmas, the max I did record was 67 signs carved in one single day. Yesterday, I smashed that record and reset it to a whopping 80 signs. 80 signs on 2 machines. That's 40 and 40. Took 19 hours. Not bad, not bad. I'm proud of you guys. Don't let me down today. I'm proud of you. They're running. This is Stefan, Custom Wood Design. I called earlier and left a message, and I called a couple days ago and a couple of days before that. So, thank you. I spy something with my German high calibrated, high quality, precision made German eye.
I'm on video.
That's black.
What? That is what?
Black.
Okay, it's this.
No.
Your hat.
Oh dang! How do you know?
That was too easy.
How do you know?
That was too easy. Give me something very, very, very hard. I'll never know.
Okay, I spy something with my highly calibrated laser sharp eye that is yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow?
This.
Oh no! How? How?
It's too easy.
How?
Because I have magical eyes.
I believe that. They're much higher calibrated than mine. So we're going to Lowe's. We have an emergency trip to make. Emergency. Yeah. We're out.
Give me something very hard that I will never know.
Hang on. We're out of Oak. We're going to Lowe's department store. No, was it home improvement store? And we're trying to hunt down some oak boards. Apparently. Sophia, are you ready to buy some boards?
And Christmas craft too.
Yeah. I promised you if we find some boards and when we're ready, then you get something too, okay? Are you ready? Sophia. Come on. Come on, Sophia. You want that cane? All right, let's go. Come on.
One love.